Hi, today I'm going to be doing a video on how I get my curly hair. So it's sort of like a curly hair routine. I have naturally curly hair. I have since I was young, which is normal, but yeah, that didn't make sense. When I was younger, I started brushing my hair. Then once I got a little bit older, I started straightening my hair, and I did that for years. So my curls sort of went, and I've been trying to get them back for the last like 2 years, and they've come back quite a bit. I am going to be showing you how I get my hair to be curly naturally using products. And if you have naturally curly hair and you're trying to get your curls back, I would definitely recommend doing this because I think it's really helped get my curls back. To start off with, I co-wash. So that's basically just wash your hair with conditioner. So I have two different conditioners here. They are both from Faith and Nature. Not every conditioner is good for getting your curls back because they have something in them which I can't remember what it is. But once I find it out, I'll pop it in the description box down below, and it's something conditioner shouldn't have in it. If it does, it's not going to be very good for curly hair. So I use two different ones. One's for my roots and one for my ends. The ones for the roots I use is this one, which is Lemon and Tea Tree, and it's a refreshing for normal and oily hair conditioner. So that helps with the roots, and I just put a nice decent blob of that onto my hand and sort of put it on your scalp, and then use your fingers and you just massage it into your hair. And make sure to massage it in for like good 5 minutes. You'll need to rub it in for longer than you think. Then for the ends, you use this one, which is Hoba. I think that's how you say it, Hoba. It's like just about like that, but I think it's Hoba, but don't quote me on that. And this one's soothing for normal hair and dry hair, which is good for the ends, which get drier. So again, just put a nice big blob. You're going to need quite a bit of conditioner depending on how much hair you have. Mine comes down to just a bit underneath my armpit, so my hair is sort of long-ish. It's more like medium length really. But you do that and you just completely cover your ends, and you will run your fingers through it to detangle any knots out. And you need to put in enough conditioner so it's fully silky smooth, so your hands can just run straight through it, and it feels, you'll know when it feels right because it just feels so silky and so smooth, and that is when you've got enough conditioner in it. I'll link these two conditioners down below. So now I'm just going to go ahead and wash my own hair, and then I'll get back to you on how to apply the products that I apply afterwards, and then what I use to dry my hair. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I am back. My hair is now washed with the conditioners and everything. So now it's time to put products on that I do afterwards. So I use this curl defining cream. I just use the Naughty Wave Hello Curl Defining Cream, which I think you can get in Boots or Superdrug. I will link it down below. So to apply this, I take 1 dollop on my hand that looks like this, so about this much, and just sort of rub that in. Now I'm gonna go onto my knees. Flip your hair over like this. Sorry, my head's gonna get cut off. And just pop it on like this, so run it onto your hair. Now this is going onto the right side of my hair. Now I'm going to take another dollop, which is about the same size. Again, rub with hands. And this is going to go on the left side of my hair. Then I'm going to take a third dollop, a bit smaller than the first two. And again, rub together. And I'm just going to scrunch this into my hair. The amount of product you'll need for your hair will differ with how much hair you actually have. So you just want to put enough in so you have enough product, so it feels like it's got the product in it, but not too much, so it's sort of over product. That's not a word. Has way too much product in. The next product we're going to use is this Orange Marmalade Flaxseed and Aloe Curl Definer. So again, I'm going to do 3 pumps. So 1 pump, mix it together, rub it together in your hands. Again, flip your hair over and put the product on the right hand side of your hair. And then another pump, rub hands together onto the left side of the hair. Then again, we're going to do a 3rd pump, rub this together and scrunch this into the hair. When scrunching, make sure you get it right up to the scalp and do scrunching all over. And do this until it feels like it's sort of all into the hair. Now that all the product is in the hair, you do not want to touch the hair until it is completely dried. And to speed along the drying process, I just use a hairdryer, like a diffuser one. So you've got one of these ends on the end. And when you hairdry your hair, don't let this actually touch your hair, because it'll get rid of, because once it's fully dried, it should go nice and sort of like crispy and crunchy. And then what you do is you scrunch out that crunch and it then goes nice and curly but also like soft. So you don't want to get rid of that crunch before it's time to crunch it out. So you just sort of like wave this around, you sort of wave it around your head. Okay, so now that my hair has dried, I'm just going to scrunch it out, and that will again be done sort of with your hair over like this, and you're just going to take your hands at the bottom and you're going to scrunch up, and this just scrunches out all the crispiness, so it's sort of nice and fluffy and soft and very nice. And you can only do this once your hair is completely and fully dried. There we go, my hair is completely and fully scrunched and it has gone nice and curly, as you can sort of see at the bottom. And this is just the finished result. So if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you enjoy my content and my videos, then please hit that subscribe button. And if you have any ideas for future videos, please put them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye!